Hello students, I am Miss Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 3rd Maths exercise 4.5, fifth exercise of this chapter. So students, let us start from question number A. So question number A is solve the sums. Again students, question is solve the sums. But please don't be confused. Sums here means the questions. Solve the questions. Okay, these are the questions given which you have to solve. So simply instead if your sums is given, you can see which symbol is given, either it is multiplication or addition or subtraction. The symbol which will be present here, according to that you have to solve. Okay, so see students, question number 1 is 122 multiplied by 4. So students, in exercise 4.4 we have learned the same question A and B. B is also here, write in column and find the product. Question number B of exercise 4.4 was also same. So what is the difference between 4.4 and 4.5 exercises? So the difference is students, in exercise 4.4 two-digit number was multiplied with one-digit number, and here also in question number B two-digit number was multiplied by one-digit number. But in 4.5 here 3-digit number is multiplied with 1 digit, and here also 3 digit with 1 digit. So only the numbers are increased from 2 digit to 3 digit. Okay students, so now moving to question number 1. 122 multiplied by 4. So simply you can read the table of 4. 4 2s are 8, then 4 2s are 8, then 4 1s are 4. Simply we have to read the table of 4, or you can read 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8 and 1 4s are 4. You can change the order, but the numbers you have to divide one by one serially from right to left. So the product received here is 488. Okay students, now moving to question number 2. So question number 2 here is different. So I am solving question number 5. This is question number 5. Okay, so question number 5 is 829 multiplied by 4. So 4 9s are 36. You can read the table. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, or 4 9s are 36. After multiplication, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8, but here 3 is present over here. You don't have to multiply it, you have to add it. Okay, so 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 8, then 9, 10, 11. So 11 is there, 1 carry here and 1 here. After solving this, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 4 8s are, you have to read the table of 4 up to 8, or 8 4s are. So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33. So students, you can check it once again. This question, that 9 4s are 36, 3 and 6, 4 2s are 8, 9 10 11, 3 is there. Don't forget to add the carry. So 11. Now 4 8s are, or 8 4s are 32 plus 1 33. So the product received here is 3316. So after this you can solve rest of the questions. I am moving to question number B. So question number B is write in column and find the product. You have to write in column, then find the product. But here students, in question number A already the questions are arranged in column. So now we have to arrange this in column, like question 1 2 321 multiplied by 3. So I am writing in column, see here in column, and we will find the product. Product means the answer of multiplication. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Here no carry is there. So simply we have multiplied and we have received the answer 963. You can check. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, 963 is your first product. Now moving to question number 5. Question number 5 is 315 multiplied by 6. So simply students, you can read the table of 6, or you can read the table of 5 with 6, then 1 with 6 and 3 with 6. Now 6 5s are 30. So 3 carry. Okay, 3 0. 6 5s are 30. 3 I am writing here and 0 here. Now 6 1s are 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Don't forget to add the carry. If you will forget, the product will be wrong. 6 1s are 6, 7 8 9. 9 is here. Now 6 3s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. So the the answer received here is 1890. Okay students, this is the fifth answer. One more I will solve for you. This is 128 multiplied by 9. So this is the ninth question I am solving for you student. This is 8 9s are 72 or 9 8s are 72. Then 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7 18. 19 20 21 22 23 24 and 25. So simply I am writing here 25. Okay. See once again 9 8s are or 8 9s are 72. 72 I have written. The 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7 is 25. So 2 5. The 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 2 11. 9 10 and 11. So 1152 is the product received of question number 9. So students, question number A 1 and 5 I have solved for you. Question number B 1, 5 and 9. These are the product received. So students, you can solve exercise 4.5 by watching this video. Thank you for watching.